Hey, let's go. It's great to travel the world and experience different cultures through their food. But here at Don Lucho's, owner Carlo is bringing Peru to you. Tell me about Don Lucho's.
Peruvian food is virtually unknown in the Pacific Northwest, so I figured, why wait for the people to come to me? I'd rather go to the people.
How do I know it's Peruvian when I eat it?
I would say the spices, but these peppers are very particular from the area, and they are really what gives the Peruvian essence to what we're serving.
Aren't onions kind of a big piece of it too?
They are a big piece.
Don Lucho's signature sandwich is the flame steak. This spicy treat is piled high with onions, tomatoes, and a sauce made from Peruvian peppers. Which one's mine?
Yours is the mild.
Oh, so you assumed I like mild.
Well, hey, if you want some spicy, here you go.
No, you assumed right.
I'm Peruvian, so I like spice.
And that sauce is delicious. I love that sauce. It can taste that kind of oniony bite to it. I think I've been missing out.
It has a real kick to it.
All right, so Rebecca, have you had Peruvian food before?
I don't think I have. I haven't.
Do you like onions?
Love onions.
I usually like them grilled.
Hot dogs, burgers.
Caramelized onions, onion rings.
So I want you to give this sandwich a try. It's got some sliced onions on it, some flame steak.
That was not a TV bite.
It's got a kick to it.
That's really good.
It's very flavorful. There's a multitude of flavors that come together here.
Did you order that sandwich?
Yeah, why not?
Are we a thumbs up or a thumbs down?
Very good.